How to convert SIM to eSIM on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first method is launch the settings application on your device, and before that, make sure to contact your carrier and request eSIM QR code from them. So once you are in settings, tap on the cellular option you see there and then tap on the Add eSIM option. Further, tap on the Use QR code option you see there and scan the QR code given to you by your carrier and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to activate the SIM card. This works for almost all carrier services. You can also tap on the Enter Details Manually option you see there and enter your details manually if required. And the next way is to transfer a SIM to eSIM from another iPhone. So tap on the Transfer from Nearby iPhone option you see there and confirm on your old iPhone. And with this, eSIM will be transferred automatically. So this is how you can transfer SIM to eSIM on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.